You ever notice how everything gets 10 times louder the second you're trying to be quiet? It's like the whole house has a secret mission to expose you. Picture this. It's late. Everyone's asleep, and you're trying to sneak into the kitchen for that midnight snack. You channel your inner ninja, tiptoeing across the floor like you're walking on clouds. First obstacle, the kitchen drawer. You pull it open just a tiny bit, and it sounds like a haunted house sound effect. You freeze, listening for any sign that you've woken someone up. All clear. Okay, next up. The chips? You try to open the bag as gently as humanly possible, but it's no use. Prayer rack. It sounds like a firework going off. You just know everyone in a 5-mile radius heard that. Then, the final boss. The floor. You turn to make your escape, and bam, you step right on a squeaky toy. It shouts in the loudest, most cheerful voice imaginable, lighting up the whole room. You just stand there, defeated, as the toy happily sings its little song. At this point, you might as well turn on all the lights and start a parade. Why is everything so loud at night? Let me know your loudest late night fail in the comments. Thanks for watching.